Hey there! If your Sony Bravia Smart TV won't turn on and you're stuck with a black screen, don't worry. I am 100% sure that one of these methods will fix your issue unless it's a hardware problem. So have patience and be with me for 2 minutes. Step 1. Check the power connection. First, make sure the power cord is firmly connected to your TV and the wall socket. Check the power adapter for any damage or loose connections. If everything looks good and the TV still won't turn on, move on to the next step. Step 2. Unplug and reset the TV. Now unplug the TV from the wall. Find the power button on your TV, not the remote. Press and hold that button for about 30 seconds. After that, wait for a minute before plugging the TV back in. Turn it on and see if it works. If not, let's check the remote. Step 3. Check the remote. Sometimes the remote might be the issue. Remove the batteries and press the power button about 10 to 20 times to discharge any leftover power. Now insert fresh batteries and try turning on the TV again. If it's still not working, let's try one last step. Step 4. Disconnect external devices. If you have devices connected like HDMI cables, USB drives, or external hard drives, unplug them all. Sometimes these devices can cause issues. After removing them, turn the TV on again. You can also try using a different HDMI port if needed. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue, and you'll need to contact a service center for help. I hope one of these steps fixed your Sony TV. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips.